Hi everyone, today we will continue with 24th Pauri of Japji Sahib. अंत न सिफती कहन न अंत न करन देन न अंत न वेखन सुनन न अंत न जापे क्या मन मंत. Endless are his praises, endless are those who narrate them, endless are his actions, endless are his gifts. न उसके गुणों का कोई अंत है, न उसके कथन का, न उसके कर्म का, न दान का कोई अंत है. Endless is his vision, endless is his hearing. His limits can't be perceived. What is the mystery of mind? न उसके दर्शन का कोई अंत, न श्रवण का. उसके मन के रहस्यों के अंत को भी जाना नहीं जा सकता. Nanak describes there is no end of his virtues. There is no end of his glory. Whatever you say will be incomplete, insufficient in front of his grandeur. आकाश को कहाँ कोई मुट्ठी में बांध पाया है. Man is like a drop in ocean. Nanak opines, we are also like a drop, a part of him. पर एक बूंद समुद्र को कैसे जान पाएगी. It's impossible to understand or gauge him. As long as you feel you have known God, it's just an illusion. वह बेअंत है. कितना भी खोजें, कितना भी कहें, फिर भी शेष रहेगा. उसकी महिमा अपार है. अंत न जापे कीता आकार, अंत न जापे पारावार. अंत कारण केते बिलल लाहे, ताके अंत न पाए जाहे. There is no beginning and no end. Its limit here and beyond can't be perceived. Many struggle to know his limits, but his limits can't be found. उसके किए सृष्टि प्रसार का कोई अंत नहीं. उसके ओर छोर का कोई अंत नहीं. जो उसे जानने के लिए संघर्षशील हैं, वे भी उसका अंत न पा सके हैं. No one knows the limits of the one, and there are no words that can describe his vastness. Imprudents always think themselves great. बुद्धिमानों को लगता हम बड़े छोटे हैं उस विराट के समक्ष. His creations are manifested all around us, but most of us are blind to it. We can't see God, but we can see his works. आज तक वैज्ञानिक इलेक्ट्रॉन को देख न पाए हैं, nor there is any hope of seeing it. But its effects, its results prove in existence. स्थूल कृत्य तो दिखाई देते हैं, पर सूक्ष्म कर्ता दिखाई नहीं देता. Life is a balance of subtle and gross. There is no chaos in divine order. जीवन एक क्रमबद्ध गति से संतुलन से चल रहा. नानक इसे हुक्म कहते हैं. Divine will. Everything happens as it should. An ordering hand is in everything, providing a purpose behind each event. एहो अंत न जाने कोई, बहुता कहिए बहुता होए। वड्डा साहिब उच्चा थाओ, उच्चे ऊपर उच्चा नाओ। No one knows these limits. The more you say about him, more remains unsaid. The Lord is great, and his place is high, and higher even is his name. कोई भी उसका अंत नहीं जानता। जितना अधिक उसको कहिए, उतना ही अधिक वह होता चला जाएगा। वह साहब महान है और ऊंचा उसका स्थान है, और उससे भी अधिक ऊंचा उसका नाम है। Nanak advises us that one is infinite, but we human beings don't have capacity to fully grasp his vastness. So he gives us a way to reach that state, which is through the name. Simran, chanting and meditation on the Naam can unlock and open our inner door to invite the divine experience. नानक इसे ओंकार कहते हैं, with which mysteries of God can be solved. With that resonance, you can feel the force, you can experience God. एवड़ उच्चा होवे कोई, तिस उच्चे को जाने सोए। जेवड़ आप जाने आप नानक नदरी करमी दात. Nanak says, one only knows his greatness when raised to his heights. Only he himself is great. He himself knows himself. O Nanak, by his glance of grace, he bestows his blessings. अगर कोई उसके जितना बड़ा हो, केवल वह ही ऊंचे अकाल पुरुष को समझने का सामर्थ्य रखता है। जितना बड़ा वह आप है, वह स्वयं को ही जान सकता है। जिस पर उसकी कृपा दृष्टि होती, उसी पर उसकी देन उतरती। As we know that gravitational pull binds our universe, similarly there is another force, his grace, divine grace, with which cosmos exists. उसका प्रसाद, उसकी अनुकंपा, जिससे जीवन चल रहा है। Nanak says, try with your all might, but remember, his grace alone can bring about the happening. His grace showers on all alike. परमात्मा की अनवरत वर्षा हो रही, लेकिन भरना तो कृपा दृष्टि से ही होता। His divine grace. Or maybe it's because of you who are not standing upright to receive it, so you will miss that heavenly rain. Nanak opines, Naam is the highest of high, and those who practice the Naam can achieve that exalted state through Nadar, the glance of grace. Thank you. That is all for today.